Hello. Oh, there's some echo, and I am low. How about now? Is this better? I think it is. Okay, perfect. So, I need to listen to something. I don't care what. Sure, yeah. Actually, maybe I do care what, and this is very nice. Yeah. Eh, uh, so where are we? Okay, so yes, third stream today. I know. And this is also past midnight. I basically just ate, and then I came back. So I took earlier I was watching the stream that yeah, that I left my own stream for. And then after that, I took the meeting at 10 to 11. And then actually, let me just get the AI to work, and then we can come back to, and then we can chat a little bit more after. Yeah, just so we can keep moving because this is, yeah, we need to keep moving. Hey, perfect. Wrong this then. Let me see if it actually is getting to work. If it is, then we can move. Yes. Okay. Oh, of course. Let me see. Really? Oh, like this is. Wait, really? For real? A Really? Wait. Really? So you have this, and then no, wait. What? So you have this, and then what's going on? A Okay. So what are we doing here? I feel like the AI is doing something that is more than what I asked. I mean, that is because I did not read did not read this code carefully enough. Okay, so it is conditional coordinate. What do I? Oh, this is going to be very tricky. A If it can do it, it's impressive. But I'm maybe a little bit surprised that there is no a if this is actually fully done. Well, okay, yeah. Anyways, yes. Yeah. So what was I doing? Well, the AI works. So I basically walk from here to. So the meeting ended like 11 something, I think. Actually, I don't know when, but yeah. And then I walk over to to there and ate and came back because earlier we were looking at pictures, right, of food, and then we were. Oh well, close is two and okay, yeah. I mean, it's just a little bit past midnight. It's fine, but yeah, like we saw the rice ball thing, right? The very nice picture earlier. It's not this. Yeah, we saw this earlier. It turns out they did sell something that's very similar to this, even though it says the picture is just for illustrations. But yeah, so I went there and ate it, and now I'm happy. Except now I don't under. Okay, so I guess the other reason why I am here today is today is a actually maybe let me also show this. So this is Saturday. Well, it's technically still Friday. I mean, yeah, on Saturday. So tomorrow I'm gone for half of a day. But I can still be productive for the other half, right? And then for Sunday, I thought I was gone for half of a day, but it turns out it would be gone for the entire Sunday because the what is it called? Because this 端午节 thing, this Dragon Boat festival that I was talking about earlier today. Yeah, so the my family wanted to. Well, my family actually made 粽子, which I and they were saying that I probably should go eat. So yes, so I will probably go eat. So, but then of course that is on the other. Well, I wouldn't say other side, but it is like very far. Like my family lives somewhere around. Where's the high speed rail station? There's airport here. That's surprising. Maybe I shouldn't be so surprised about that, but yeah, I'm not so good at geography. Oh yeah, around here, yes, yeah, there is the high speed rail. So to get there, it takes about hour or so. So if I I mean, I'm not going to go at like 5 a.m., but still, yeah. So let's say if I take 2 hours going there, I mean, not too like, yeah, might as well be 2 hours because this is to a high speed rail station, and I still need to go home from high speed rail. So let's say this is 2 hours, yeah, and then why is this transferring high speed rail? You're saying you take one high speed rail to Taipei and then another to Zhuyin. That is crazy. Hey, but yeah, anyways, what was I saying? Oh, because wait, does it make sense? I don't know if this makes any sense, but whatever. Yeah. Hey, crazy. Anyways, yeah. So if I take 2 hours there and then eat and then come back, that is like 5.5 hours gone. So yeah, plus my morning meeting, which is another 1 hour. That is like, I mean, I can probably still come back and study Japanese or something. But like, I don't know, like, yeah, I don't know. Like the thing is that like Sunday is gonna be just gone. Yeah, and Saturday will be a what is it called? A well, yeah, the meeting tomorrow is going to be wait, which meeting is it? It's not the game dev one. That's Sunday. Oh no, tomorrow is another celebration. It's actually celebrating one of my family members' birthdays. Yeah, so it's just a big dinner plus maybe hanging out after. So like tomorrow, basically like I'll be gone since like 4 p.m. to the rest of the day. So yeah, I don't know. Hmm. Anyway, so where are we? Yeah. Oh wow, really? It would be happier with this. Why not? Yeah. Okay. So anyways, there is the plan. So now I'm just drinking Roru right now because I just had a meal and this helps with digestion and I cannot deal with more oolong. I drank so much oolong today. Hmm. I had very like a lot of protein in last meal. It was very good. Yeah. Yeah, so I have one of those rice balls, and then I have tang xing cai, a 地瓜叶 version. A basically like so we in Taiwan we eat a lot of the sweet potato. Yeah, a both the plant itself, like you know, a the underground part of it, but we also eat the actual plant, like the leaves on top of the sweet potato. So yeah, it's very nice. We just a so I had basically a rice ball, sweet potato, and a soup. It's just one of the regular soup with a bunch of meat inside, and then a also a separate meat dish because I'm greedy and I need protein, and I ate all of it, and I'm kind of full. I feel like I don't know. Maybe I could have ordered one less thing, and I would still be happy. Because especially I should remember that I actually still have some snacks at home here. I mean, quote unquote home at the visitor housing thing. Yeah. So actually, I don't need to like order to like so much that I must be full there. Like, might as well just eat to like I don't know 7饱 or whatever. And then if I need snack, I can have snack. Yeah. Maybe that is one of my tech home lessons I really should be doing. Yeah, I feel like that's one thing. Like, I usually don't keep snack at home, but I should start doing that, and that will, give me a reason to not order too much food for the main meal. Actually, blow my nose. Yeah, sorry about that. Eh, but yeah, like, oh, sorry, still allergies. Funny, I'm getting allergies. Like, I basically closed windows earlier, and now is it a temperature? I feel like it's a bit cold. I so I took a long walk, right? So I was like, it was a bit like, what is it called? A stuffy outside because like Taiwanese temperature is I mean it's the summer and Taiwan is very humid. Yeah, humid is maybe a right word. So as soon as I got home, I just turned the well, quote unquote home, whatever. Yeah, as soon as I got back, I just turned the AC to a max. So now let me what is it called? Yeah, let me turn the AC down a little bit. So as in weaken the AC a little bit, so I'll be right back. Okay, 21 Celsius to 25 Celsius. A little bit reasonable. More reasonable. Okay, good. And then what do we have? We you don't have local lemma. That is very good style. And then okay, perfect. And then so I'm happy about this. So ah good. So I would just say maybe just do this. Oh, that's fine. Yeah. A actually, what did I fill in? What I mean, I did not. But what did the AI fill in? What is it called? Oh, is this the that's nice, yeah. Add proof. I don't know, like proof absolute continuity of ensemble. Okay, yeah, good enough. And then I wanted to ask the AI to do the next thing, which is that let me see. Actually, maybe we do have a chance to get things done today after all. Okay, hmm, would you help me clean up the statement of compile rule in Python compile? Right now we have q plus one everywhere in the what is it called in the conclusion, and that is good. But what is it called? A and I want to strengthen that to arbitrary including zero, a arbitrary q. So a adding the zero case. A so far the proof is reasonable for the non-zero case. For the zero case, we will say that what I will say that the left hand side and right hand side program will be should be identical, and and therefore this AEOPT judgment should give me a should give me zero loss as expected. A depending on how well hmm yeah, I think I would just let it to let it to oh I maybe medium is fine, and then a standard, yeah, just so I don't burn through tokens so fast anymore. A good, perfect. Now where are we? I want to drink more Yoru because it helps with digestion. I feel like the walk also helped a lot. I should do more of this like walks after I eat. I feel like I always like before this, I always eat and then just like sit down like immediately, and I feel like that cannot be good. And I feel like having walked a little bit is probably helped. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, invalid trace help her above it, and then zero case wants a lemma to yeah reflexivity path, and I don't know if I need to look at this while it works. I don't think I do. Yeah. Let me see. A I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, so where are we? We wanted to. Yeah, I guess the other question is, I've been here for a few hours and I don't know like how. I feel like running out of things to chat about, but that is just how it is. Actually, I'm surprised that I still have energy here. Like I was thinking I would be like half dead. I mean, yeah, it's how it is. But yeah, speaking of the what is it called? Mm, like, wait, I lost my train of thought. Oh, I think this is really nice that I'm here today because I feel like I mean, I shouldn't say usually because I don't usually work this hard, but like, for the summer, I usually spend the weekdays at the office, right? So I would not be able to like basically do coding streams and be here. And now it's kind of nice that I can be here while working, while being productive. Yeah, and just chat. Yeah. Well, I guess one of these days I will have a stream BGM, which is might be a little bit less boring than whatever I'm doing right now. Yeah, I know less streamers will like sometimes like hum along or sing along their BGM. I feel like my voice is not so nice at the moment, but then it's one of those things that I'm pretty sure you can practice, especially because I do know some other music stuff. Actually, I don't know. Like, I feel like for singing and for violin and things like that, I'm not so good at it precisely because I have, well, I don't know if I should say I have perfect pitch. A maybe it's a little bit complicated. It's kind of like relative pitch, but it's also kind of like perfect pitch because I have pitch memory. But anyways, yeah. A how should I say this? A Yeah, so I feel like every time I try to practice singing or practice violin, I will know that I'm out of tone. Like it would be very obvious to myself that I'm out of tone, and I'll just be frustrated and I'll quit. So I don't know. I feel like maybe one of these days I will try to get better at singing, or maybe I won't. I don't know. The thing about I don't know, like at least for streamers that actually maybe not all streamers, but at least for now the I feel like my sample size is too small to really say anything. But yeah, at least maybe in the case of like my Oshi, right? She's a singer and I think her voice is very nice. So I feel like that kind of really helps in terms of the quote unquote help. I mean, yeah, makes her stream a lot really pleasant to put as background. So I feel like maybe that is something I want to work on as well. Like make my voice sound better? Question mark. I don't know how to start low with that. Or maybe I don't know. I feel like I just know so little on the singing side. I guess the other thing is like what is your innate voice, right? The thing is that if you sing or whatever, I know your range does expand, so you can improve it. But I don't know about like voice quality. I only know the range expands. I don't know if the voice sounds like better. I would assume it does as well, right? Like you have more control over like different feelings, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. Like if you want certain thing to like sound quote unquote sweeter or whatever, it might be doable when I try. I mean, when I not I myself, but like when you actually practice and get good at it, kind of thing. Yeah. Case semantically assembly, but not yet definitionally simplified to the thing. Let me see. So zero branch can rewrite both sides to that. And then let me see. I will prove out more definitional, and of course, yeah. I mean that is. Okay, yeah. Anyways, so what was I working on before? A So after this, apparently I would be like apparently we are at least done with the wait some BT, is that true? No, we still have some BT issues, right? Where was it again? Let me see. Yeah, I think I can just like hit one of these and I will see what is left. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah. I guess the other things, well, okay, I guess this is giving us time to chat. That is very good, yeah. So what I how long have I been around today? Like 4 hours, 5 hours? I don't think 6 yet. I mean, I'm probably been programming for 6, but yeah, a lot of been productive for 6 if you count meeting time. But I don't think like I think I only spent about half of it on stream, right? Which would be a good ratio, I guess. Hey, let me see. So I've been around for like less than 4 hours. I guess if you count this, then I've been around for like 4 hours so far. Yeah, good. Hey, yes, Clubhouse cover, still image low. Less things to be mesmerized about. Time is it? Not too late yet. So if I want to be awake at, let's say, I mean, I will have to leave by maybe, I don't know. Actually, yeah, how long does it take for me to go from where I am to Renshan? Let me see. Because I need to be there at like, I don't know, at like what is it called? At like 5 p.m., right? So I want to go there and then, please. And then, okay, so this is an hour and 1.5. Oh, no, it's faster because there is a what is it called? Yeah, well, not too much. Oh, bus, of course. You literally take a bus to. Okay, so let me see. So let's take this as a canonical thing. So that means I want to leave by. Wait, actually, let me check. Give me one moment to look at my schedule. So I need to be there at, yeah, 5 p.m. If I have to be there at 5 p.m., then I will need to leave by, let's say, maybe 3 just to be safe. Yeah, because it's apparently that area is very nice for a walk. So maybe if I leave by 3, then maybe I also want to do laundry and stuff. Let's just, I don't know, assume the thing run for like 2 hours just to be very, very safe. So I need to start doing laundry at once. At 1 p.m. A and they say I want to get 8 hours of sleep. So I need to be asleep by 5 a.m. So I have another 4 hours of being awake. That is maybe how the math goes. Do I want to be programming through the next 4 hours? I hope not. I will hope that I will be able to, like get this done and then go to sleep. Yeah. Let me see. So split on Q and then actually not even sleep. Uh, in ideal world, we get this done in the next 2 hours and then we play V Rising for 2 hours and then we sleep. I mean, either that or we build our personal webpage finally for 2 hours and then we sleep. I don't know. Like I know I need to do that sometime, but I don't know if that should be now. I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, fix. Oh, this is just compile rule. So improve compile rule again. Okay. Now what do we do? Now we want to look at what is the Oh, I want to check if everything compiles, right? A like if everything is clean before I work on the next step. A Okay, that's good. So now I go to, why is there like, this is huge. Actually, you know what? Just out of curiosity, like how much code do we have right now? I feel I'm just wasting time now, but whatever. There is some whatever dot. Oh, we don't need. Actually, how do you do this again? How do you? Oh, enable. Okay, so this is how you do it, and then globe star, and then what is it? Word count number of lines, and then theories, and then double star, and then startup V, I think. Look at this and hallucinity. Like, how do we end up with like 10K lines? I'm sad. No, I'm not even sad. I'm just mad right now. Ugh, this is painful. not look at it. Uh, at some point, we'll. I feel like by the end of this project, we are gonna have like 25K. Uh, whatever. Yeah, this is the age of the AI of vibe coding. Yeah, whatever. Let's actually just look at what do we work on next. Yeah. Okay. So what do we have? Step forward. Let's. What do we have? Yeah. Hey, can you step forward, please? Thank you. And then you step forward twice. That's fine. You are exactly where I want you to be at. Good. So let me see. Coordinate finite KL. Hmm. This is fine-ish, I guess. What about the other one? Coordinate finite KL. Simple KL from coordinate finite KL. Okay, that's maybe an easier one. Oh, so all the stone deities are gone, right? That's a little bit surprising if that's actually the case. Yeah, I guess all the stone deities are. Oh, this is going to be really, really annoying. Actually, is it? Maybe it's not. This is gonna be easy, right? This might be easy. Yeah. Okay, good. So what do we have? We want to. Hmm. Oh no, like summable KO. That is maybe the one thing that I was looking for. Yeah. Okay. So what do I want to say here? RG, right? And then let me see. A probability, and then KL pipe, and then let me see. Line 34. Okay. Let me see. Would you please take a look at actually? Like, does this one use that? It does. Okay, good. Yeah. At this, at high stuff v, a if it is if it looks false, then maybe we should talk about how to make it, how to fix it. Otherwise, then of course, otherwise, would you make the, I don't know, would you try to give a shot at proving it? Feel free to what is it called? To state any intermediate lemmas with or without proof along the way. State other lemmas. This is good, right? Let me see if is our settings fine. Yeah, I think the settings are fine. Okay, good. So where are we? A Yeah, maybe I was getting a little bit too worried, right? So let me see. This is easy. This is maybe not as easy, but this might be doable. And then let me see. This is I'm still convinced that we used to have a proof of this, and then at some point we just scrapped it because we're being stupid, and now we need to get it back somehow. Okay, and then let me see. In fact, I feel like that's the case for almost all of this. This is really bad. Yeah. Okay. So what do we have? Hey. I guess maybe one way we can do this is to just point the AI at all of this and eventually we'll prove all of it. But maybe that is not very really. Huh. Oh, but then Chenro Lemma, yeah. Hey. Why is this? Okay. Sure. Whatever. So where are we? A. We are trying to think of something fun to talk about. Well, AI does this thing. I don't know, V-Rising or streaming plans or maybe personal web page. Yeah, yeah. Maybe we can just like brainstorm. Oh shoot. Okay, yeah. Yeah, maybe let's just brainstorming our personal web page thing while this thing is working. So you say that you did what? Well, I don't need list anymore, I think. At least I don't. Yeah, at least this is a too much to think about. Okay. So now you have your update list by factoring the list into here. Yeah. Okay. And then this is projecting. Okay. Yeah. Less sensible. Yes. Less sensible. Yeah. I guess now. How do we go about a what is it called? A proving this? There is some a I remember there is was some a this is not Pink's curse, is it? Or maybe it is. Let me see. I feel like something is no, this is not Pink's curse, right? This is a what is it called? A not this. There was some stuff somewhere. Let me see. A oh, maybe I should say least Pythagorean. Yeah, maybe as long as I can point at the right direction, it will do it, right? A what is it? Pythagorean TV bound or a Pythagorean? Where's my Pythagorean thing? Pythagorean probability preservation. Yeah, this maybe a Let me see. A maybe iterative Chenkel bound or whatever. Yeah, maybe I should just say what I say what's intuitive, and then I will let it try to do the actual low level argument. A in a from pipe.v a what is it called? A let maybe bounce a in ensembles a an ensembles KL divergence from a each a what is it called? Or I should just say using a what is this? Using a from each coordinate a some argument I shouldn't say this, but what's it called? A uh some lemma used by this, which a I wonder if the analysis there could be refactored to help this. Good, and then now we see what happens here, or maybe this is a circular argument. Yeah, a iterative KL bound, but then this is also one that. Yeah, so to see like if this is good, yeah, because this is very confusing. A let me see. It's about this. Well, this is a not use a bound target, but switch it into. Okay, sure, whatever. Yeah. It is doing what it should be doing. So while it is doing that, we can kind of brainstorm about our, I guess, personal web page and our actual streamer. What is it called? A presence. Well, I guess there are kind of two things we want to brainstorm about, and we either start, we never start, right? One is personal web page. The other one is my is that I want to get a tattoo, and I don't know like which is higher priority because I feel like both are what I want to do through the sometime in the next year. Actually, yeah, maybe. I don't know. I feel like tattoo is probably slightly higher priority because it would be easier to get in Taiwan before I head back to the US, while in the what is it called? Actually, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe both are easy. Yeah. But like, okay, so I mean the deadline for both. Maybe I shouldn't say deadline, but both I'm trying to get before I graduate, and I'm graduating next spring. So yeah, like I guess both are important to me. I guess yeah, I don't know. The thing about tattoo is that I kind of want a drawing tablet and maybe also some other kind of I don't know. Maybe it's harder to do on stream, yeah, because like the thing will wrap around my forearm and the back of my hand. So I feel like what I want to do is probably to just grab a marker and some like wipes and just like start drawing on my arm. So maybe that is what I need to be doing off stream because I cannot do it unless I on stream unless I turn on camera, which I could, but I don't have a standalone camera right now. The only camera I have is my laptop mic, and I don't look good enough to show my face at the moment. Yeah, so I mean I could get change or whatever and fix my hair, but there's whatever. Yeah. Okay, so what do we have? They also expose this. Ew, this is false. This is worrying then. What's this? Oh. Huh. You. Okay, this is worrying me. So you have this, and then the same marginal under P and Q. So you have this, and the coordinate 0 KL is, yeah, okay, of course, yeah, that is fine so far. And then you have this, then each KL is finite, but the joint KL contains this. Wait, this does not diverge, right? Wait, I don't get it. Oh, it is. Yeah, never mind, because this is you sum this and then yeah, okay. Okay. So you are saying that this has a missing ingredient, which, eh, um, let's go to a thanks so much for catching that. Let me see, and that's the only let me see. Factorial chain rule induction behind this to make it a produce finite KL, not just a KL of an inequality, and AC have a okay. Let me see. Let me see then. So you want to say that if this is finite and this is a and if you have a uniform bound, then you have this a would you please prove this version then? No, I guess the it might look slightly better to combine the two. What's it called? The two for all IAs, since im- yeah, since this for all are bound over the same sets and talking roughly about the same and 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 talking about the same objects. One is finite and two is have it has a bound. A the finite value, what is it called? Yeah, a or what do I want to say here? A is finite and that the that's from the good finite branch. Okay, let me see. Yeah. So what do we have here? A okay, so what were we talking about? Yeah, okay. So let's say I deal with the tattoo thing off stream, or let's deal with it another day. Funny enough, like if I'm going to be spending so much time on the train in the next couple of days, then I might as well just. Well, the thing is, I've done enough brainstorming. I just need to actually start drawing. So I don't know. Yeah. But fine. Okay, personal webpage. So I feel like, I mean, like I don't know. I say maybe I should go grab another drink first before I continue. Yeah, maybe let me go boil water and see what can I drink here. Yeah, so I'm back by the way. Yeah, the thing is that I need a web page. Well, it's not I need it, but it would be actually I did mention earlier, right? That a say what is it called? As a quote unquote scientist or whatever. Like basically a lot of like other scientists, like my academic advisor has his own personal webpage, right? And so does my former advisor. Basically, like everyone has their personal webpage, no matter like I mean all of this is like of course like none of it's like super it's like incredibly good or anything, but that is kind of the idea, right? That like as someone who is doing science, basically I need to, especially if I'm going into academia after I graduate, I will need a personal webpage. But then that is the thing, right? But then as a streamer, there's also a lot of like like a, some streamers do and some don't. I feel a lot of them do, but also don't do very well. Like for example, I don't know, a like basically just have like things like this where every person gets a well fine. Like where basically every member just gets a very boilerplate thing. Yeah. So I feel like if I can have my own web page, I mean the I guess the what is it called? Maybe this is like if I'm thinking about an artist page, then it is maybe a little bit better. So I don't know. Do I want to do something like this? I don't. I really don't know. Well, yeah, I need to think because I really don't. I need more like data to know what is good. But then also let I feel like on whatever web page I have, it will have to contain both sides, right? What are you doing? Why is it hit still? Okay, sure, whatever. Yeah. Hey, it doesn't really matter the still file, but whatever. Yeah. Hey, what was I saying? Hey, okay. So what is this? Snowball KL, and then okay. Yeah. Replace a false thing with this, and then a okay. Yeah. And then let me see. Edit this since this is a this and then caveat is example, this is okay. Ah, okay. So a wait. So what is this? So what did you actually do? Oh, you did well. Did you do a lot? Let me see. You replace. Okay, so now you have this, and then what, right? And then okay, so you have this, and then you have this, which is fine. And then let me see. Let me see. Is this fine? I think it is. Yeah. And then you have. Let me see. Updated list to. Oh yeah, because the of course the old one is full, so it has to use the correct one. Yeah, it has to update. That is good. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, maybe I should commit then. So I should say that oh fix I don't know, remove false lemma or fix false lemma, or a yeah, maybe I just fix false lemma is fine. And then perfect. So I guess a I guess would you please take a shot at the at least next, wait, which one? A wait, so this is proven, and now you want to do this. What are the differences between this and this? Okay, so here you are saying that if you have all of this being finite, then this is the real version, right? And then oh no, this is both um oh, because this is you need both this and this. Yeah, okay. A a at least then a maybe maybe we could try to prove it, try to, I don't know, break it into some lower level, some simpler lemmas. We could either try to prove it, we could prove it up to some other a I don't know, a as always, feel free to state a intermediate lemmas with or without proof. Okay. By the way, what about this? Right above it. A I guess here we actually. Oh, that's maybe a stupid question, right? Because if you have this, then you let me think. Yeah, if you had this, then I think you had that, right? Because this is a yeah, maybe this is fine. Yeah, because the other one is maybe a little bit less worried about. Yeah, so you can do the real analysis. You can do the stuff that's not real analysis. Hey, actually, let me hey let me show you guys something. Let me try to find the thing. Give me 1 minute. I basically just earlier, like right before my other meeting, I basically just created this very stupid meme from a template, and let me see if I can find it. A 1 minute. Yes, a this thing. Yeah, basically, yes. Yeah, it's anyways, yeah. I guess this is I created my Discord server, and at some point I need to start like posting random things there. Oh, I yeah, that's one other thing. Yeah, so like right before my meeting earlier, I had a little bit of time, so I decided to just create a Discord server. At some point, I should actually I did not create, like it's been around. It's just that it's empty and completely unused. I literally it was, if I remember correctly, that might have been the actual Discord. Oh, it's not. Yeah, never mind. Yeah, I know I had some. Wait, is it? Let me check. Because I wait, is it safe for me to open Discord? I think it is. I hope it is. I yeah. How do I check how old is the Discord server? Because I know that there was some Discord server I used when I was undergrad, when I was building some Discord bot. But I don't think this is the No, no, this one is relatively new. Yeah. Do I still have the? Oh, that means I actually lost my old one. That's slightly sad, but oh well. Yeah, yeah. But yeah, I forgot why did I create a server like 3 months ago. But that is just one we're gonna be using now. Mm. Anyways, I need to hydrate, but I kind of don't want more Euro because I feel like that's not rehydrating me. A 桂圆红枣茶 is tastes good, but maybe a little bit too sweet. I don't know. Maybe I can try to have it without stirring it, and then I will have maybe only the top, not a sweet part. And then as soon as I hit the sweeter part, I just add more hot water. Might be a strategy. Let me try that. Yeah. So let me make 桂圆红枣茶. I actually no. Let me first try to get the AI to be productive, and then we go make it. Yeah. So what do we have? A oh, you proved the entire. Oh, you did not. Okay. Every finite sum is bounded by this, and then this is would be clean. Okay, so you want to do what? A oh, every finite partial sum of positive k integrand is bounded by a oh, so each one of this is epsilon. So wouldn't the entire thing be just like a epsilon times n? A wait, what is this? Am I missing something? So you want to say that conditional coordinate is bounded by this, but then you want to say that this is a what's epsilon here? What's going on? So you want to say that okay, this is reasonable assumption, and then you want to say that a for any of these, what is it called? A let me see here. What is going on here? So we want to say that the sum of, well, wait, what? So we want to say that this is, oh, this is going to be very funny looking. Eh, is this true? Hmm. Yeah, maybe it's just ask, yeah. Or what do you want to say? You want to use a finite partial sum bound? Is, oh, but then you already have this, yeah. Hmm. I guess, I don't immediately see why this is true. Is it just what a rock says the proof obligation is, and we just kind of transcribe it into its own lemma, or is this something that we've seen in the proof of, I don't know, is this something we factor out of, what is it called, a what is it, maybe not this, what was it again? Oh, iterative chaos bound. a Yeah, maybe while the AI is thinking, actually AI is not gonna think too long, right? I would just, because this is just what it is. Maybe it's going to think. Yeah, then maybe let me make tea while it thinks. Okay, I'm back. And good. So it's a did not factor out. Okay, you introduce this you think you need. Okay. A existing Kiltron boundary. Okay. A plausible finite sum justified by. Okay. A intended proof shape is induction over coordinates. Decompose a hmm a do you think the proof would be how hard do you think the proof is? If you think you can do it in one round, then maybe just do maybe just fill it in, and I would just believe it when I see it. Otherwise, maybe what is it called? Maybe try to write the proof in a in Pythagorean uh in LaTeX first. Maybe in a maybe add a scratch section at the end of or something so I can see the pen so we can see the pen and paper proof first before doing engineering. Okay, yeah, this is really bad. Hey, okay. Okay, this is headache. I mean, especially because I don't really think this is true. Like, okay, so what do you have? You have a let me see. So you want to say that you are summing over a for all tuples. What are these? So you want to say for everything the support or something? This is a what's this? It doesn't feel it doesn't feel true, yeah. Let me see what's this. Yeah, I guess question number one is that this doesn't feel true, so why does it become a thing? Yeah. So it is not this, and then you introduce it because you reasoning is that this can be proved by bounding partial sums, and then okay, and then what is it called? Oh, a hmm. Let me see. So you want to show that this is summable, which is the same as showing this, and then okay, yeah. So this is from. Let me see. So this comes from this. So either both are true or both are false. And then you are saying that this is a and you are saying that this is probably true. Yeah, okay. And then a let me see. Yeah, maybe hmm. A let me see. And then corrected the finite sum bound in the oh. So you did do something. Okay, and then a let me see. see. So you have what? So you have a is this building? Let me see. You have what? Okay. Okay, so you have this, and then you have that, and then this is this. Okay, so you want to observe that this is what the harmless ones. This is okay. Yeah. So negative part is bounded by. Okay. So a hmm. Hmm. Okay. So what is it? A hmm. Okay, I see a maybe I don't see anything immediately wrong with it. Let's give the I don't know, let's give the let's try to why do I have a Discord notification? Oh, okay, yeah, I don't want to show that on stream. Let me not share my screen and then look at why am I getting a message? Yeah. Hey, yes, nothing so important. Maybe just close Discord, yeah, and then be productive. Yes, where are we? Hey, yeah. So I don't see anything immediately wrong with this, and then let's see. Maybe let's try to. Yeah, okay. Let's try to transcribe the proof to Rockland. Yeah, okay. So what do we have? I guess while it is doing that, we can just read a little bit more and try to understand what's going on here because I still don't fully get it. So you want to say what? You want to say that these are A to N? What's A to the N? Oh, right, because of course, yeah. And then a for each of these and prefix, right? Okay, this is good, yeah. And then you assume this, and then this is finite, yeah. So you want to show this is finite, that's good, yeah. And then you want to say that for any finite set. Wait, does it suffice? You want to say that this is a oh wait, is that true? Like, well, I guess two questions. Does it suffice if it's true? Okay, so this would suffice if it were true. Okay, so let's see. You want to say that this is a yeah, this is fine. So now you want to say that these were a what's going on here? Oh, transfactorization. A reasonable. I don't know if it's reasonable anymore, but it's whatever. Yeah. Maybe I should reply to the Discord message from earlier then and going back to be productive in a bit. Yes. A okay, and now close Discord. If they want to say hi, they can. If not, it's whatever. Yeah. Oh shoot, I closed this. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, I need to be awake at like what is it called? A Yeah, I guess the friend was just surprised at me being awake now, but like I was saying earlier, like I need to be awake at 1 p.m. So if I wanted 8 hours of sleep, then I could sleep at like 5 a.m. So what is time now? It is a 1:30. Yeah, so I have like I don't know 3.5 hours. Uh, I can stay awake for like almost 3.5 hours more than this. Yeah. I mean, I hope this doesn't take 3.5 hours, but the more I work on this, the the less optimistic I am about this. Yeah, this is just stuff. Like this is actually just like I mean, I don't know if I say I'm working on this or if it's just AI working on it, but either way, this is just yeah, this is just like this. Yeah. Hey, so let me see. Hey, yeah, like just how worried should I be? I don't know. The thing is that like if I don't what is this? Okay, so I guess the question is I don't want to lose sight here. So I want to say that a there was this other thing, right? There was this a what is it called? Iterative chaos chain bound, right? So maybe I should do this, yeah, and then maybe I should have asked the AI like what was the difference between that and this, because I feel like this is kind of a oh, except I don't have a proof here. Ew. I think I had a proof here before, but not anymore. Hmm. Do I did I ever have a proof here? I think I might. Yeah. Let me see. Conditional dot oh because but it was in a different what is it? A I just do this. What will I see? I will see a this, but then I will also see that yeah, maybe I dig into a history or something, and I want to say that a right before I yeah maybe if I did this and then a yeah AI slop so much of AI slop whatever yeah and then I go here and then I browse files and then I go to what is it called again a property and then pipe I guess then do I have a proof here? I don't. Why not? Oh, let's short. Let's very short. Oh, but this has always been omitted. Why? Well, this is KO conditional. Well, except it is not like what is it? If I 215 whatever. So if I look at I don't know what is this 215 whatever. But if I move a like so much archaeology that is maybe not good, but yeah, 3 weeks ago. So if I just look at like a random point, like I don't know, maybe at around here. What do I have, right? A browse files, and then I look at a property.kl. A and then we have what? And then what was this again? KL. I don't have KL here anymore. Let's see. Not here. Not here either. Not here. Omitted. A hmm. Wait, but this recognized. So what if I look older? A no, I feel like this is like a this is worrying. Thing is, I'm pretty sure at some point I've had a proof there. So maybe I should just look into like oh no next yeah just keep going keep swimming question mark sketch a proof What do I mean by sketch? Okay. So I go here and I browse file and then I do a let me see what is here. A I mean not discrete Gaussian, that is like nonsense. And then what was it? Iterative. Maybe I never had a proof. I don't know. So a KO.KO. And then a did I never have a proof? I guess I never had a proof. That is so strange. I feel like no, I'm definitely missing something because I'm pretty sure I had a proof, but I don't anymore. Like, what is this nonsense? Hey, what's going on here? Uh, very sad, so very sad. A maybe it's this? No, it's work on a So what's it? A well, cannot be this, right? That is crazy. Well, that's even crazier. Not that. Hey, let me see. Can I stick? Hey, this is not. This is probably not it. Well, let's go back to the version today and close this, close that. How much token do I have left? I feel I'm going to run to. Oh, I still have so many. Nice, yeah. Never going to run out because we are being very productive. Because we've made very responsible financial decisions, and now we have more tokens than we can spend. Yeah. Yes. So where are we? Hey, we are doing archaeology. That is what we were doing. We are being actually productive now and spending a surprisingly not so much time chatting this stream, which I guess both good and bad. It's just how it is. Yeah, especially with me, like, I don't know, spending so much of, like, I don't know, like, we spent a lot of time chatting earlier. It is a good to sketch a proof, but then it is like but then I do have Pythagorean preservation. So it's like, what do I have? So here I work on the proof, but I didn't finish it, right? And then I break this into lemmas, and then I pay back technical debt, and then I say, okay, this is something unrelated. This is also unrelated. All of this unrelated, and then implicit, yeah, this is maybe also unrelated, and then this is whatever, and then this is all unrelated, and then this is why it is. So sketch sounds bug fix, and then a okay, yeah. So May 22, as of a month ago, I did not have a proof yet, and then it is doing who knows what. Okay, so then a like coding, of course, and then what do I have here? Okay, switch pre-open build, sure, yeah, and then a let me see, consec row, that's fine, and then a yeah, never have a proof. I mean, I have a lot of AI slop, that's for sure, but I did not think that it was. Oh, like none of this is a what is it called? So I guess I actually did not have a proof. Am I dreaming? Like I always thought I had a proof there. I guess not. Huh? A no, but there's this like pink skirt thing with the other thing. A oh, did I never had this? A no, I feel like there has to be some kind of like strange. Like, okay, fine. There's like wait one thing, but you know what? Let me just like click into one of these completely randomly because I've already lost my mind and I feel I've no longer have anything to lose. So a let me see here, and then KL, and then conditional. Please, do I have proof? I don't. Yeah, I feel like this is really strange because I feel like at some point I thought I had a proof. Well, fine. Let me just do it the more reasonable way. So if I did this, then I go a try AI slop. Then yeah, I feel like this is probably the most bloated the file has ever been. So KL and then conditional.v. What is what? KL probability KL and then conditional.v. Wait, probability. Wait. What is this? Fine, whatever. I did not have a proof. That's all that matters. Okay, so a which is this is pipe.v. Yeah. Wait, what? This is probability pipe.v. Oh, because yeah, the thing actually got moved to a ko.v. Okay, so now if I were to just dig into a history here, then what do I have? I mean, I feel like there's probably just a lot of like maybe there's just never been approved, but still, yeah. Let me see, what is this? KO.V, yeah. So probability KO.V, and then I look at this. There's no proof, okay. And then wait, this is KO.V, and then this is KO.V, okay. So then I wanted to say that okay, what if I had this, right? And then this is theory KL okay. So not that. A theories and then KL and then KLW. And then what is this? I just never had a proof. Okay. Terrible. Okay, good. So now once it actually does the thing, we'll have to actually figure out how to prove this. Because I'm pretty sure this is true. But then it's like do we have we never had a proof? A iterative KO bound. A let me see. A this entire situation is a mess. I mean, all of it's a mess. All of it. I mean, grad school is a mess, so maybe not so surprising. But I still hope that this is no, like this is really this why it is, yeah. So iterative KO bound. Yeah, maybe once it is done with this, I will ask. Yeah, or maybe I should just like look up a paper here because I feel like there's a lot of like a what is it called? Yeah. In fact, like, is this direct proof? Maybe it is. Let's see. So if you have KO divergence of P and Q, then that is like log of whatever, right? So that is some x, what's called some x p of x, and then natural log of p of x over q of x, and then that is a So why is it less than that? A you have conditional coordinates, so need to a huh uh. Do I have a different branch? No, I just have main and demo, and demo is very old. So what is this? I don't think I have a proof there either. So why do I like? Unless at some point we had a proof, but I don't think we. Hey, this is strange. Yeah, this is quite strange. Hey, okay. So it likes this. So it's still working and it still looks decent. But I actually am a little bit maybe confused by a like what is okay, yeah, whatever. What is it? Codex? No, this is not. This is it's Codex, except it's just gone. What's going on? Oh, it's still running. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Or at least I hope it's still running. Eh, I would just hope. Yeah, I think it is good. Hmm. Okay. Chain decomposition, finite sum. Okay, good. Yeah. Do I guess fine. Just put it here. Yeah. Well, very nice. Yes. Good. Where are we? We are. Let me see. Very low energy, but whatever. Okay, good. Yeah. It's a finite sum chain decomposition. A some ability from coordinate bounds broadly is a chain rule and okay. I guess maybe I was looking at the repository and the and digging into the history a bit just now. Maybe a bit surprised that we've never had a proof of a of this. Do you think that this summability thing should be, or maybe should have been developed in parallel in with this lemma, or is this building towards something else, or I don't know, or what uses this summability again? Yeah, of course. Okay, it's terrible. Eh, hmm. Yeah, let me see. So we needed to do this. Eh, a maybe let's take a step back then. Would you please write the would you please write the proof of uh maybe should add the proof of this to the LaTeX as well, or maybe just combine the two proofs, combine the two proofs, or present them side by side, or however or just how, I don't know, just do it whichever way that helps the I don't know, that makes it easiest to understand slash transcribe. Yeah, this is maybe good. Yeah, the other question is like whether this is even like okay, so by staring at this, I don't immediately see the proof. I think I've seen enough of it to know that this is true, but I forgot. like what exactly is approved. Yeah. Also, I think my tea is getting sweet, so let me add some water. Perfect. Yeah. I think I like the top part that smells really good, but it's not sweet. Yeah. A I feel like after this, I don't even feel like playing V Rising anymore. Like I've just lost so much sanity to this, and I don't know what am I doing anymore. Yeah. Eh, or whatever. Let's just take a look at the proof and see if we have anything to work with. Yeah. Let's see. I feel like there's a lot of like what is it called? A Okay. So you have this, but then you multiplying by this, and wait, what? So you want to show that this is you want to show that this is true. So you want to say that, okay, yeah. So absolute continuity allows a usual trend. Okay. So you have this is a usual trend factorization. Is this true? Let me see. A Because you have a oh, okay, yeah, this seems true, yeah. And then you want to multiply this, then you have this, and then yeah, okay. So now for a fixed coordinate a group traces. Okay, yeah, that makes so much sense. Yeah, a and then summing out the suffix yields a Let me see. So now the first part is the same, but then this is what do you mean by summing out? So this is a what's this? A I mean this and this is syntactically the same thing. So what do you mean by summing out a suffix? A like this is actually the same thing. Anyways, let me keep reading and see what's going on here. Because like this is very a don't see this because now you just have okay fine, let's say this is still quantified by like what is it called, like let's say this is still pointwise I, so this is saying that this is a oh okay, I see, yeah, this is this, yeah, and now you want to sum I of this a okay, question mark, okay, yeah, okay, I think the proof is okay, okay, I think I like the proof of the KL of the iterated KL trend bound. Now back to the latex side of summability for a moment, I guess. A Let me see. So you want to show that this is summable, and then you want to show that a let me see. Hmm. Use the same trend factorization, which I mean so far so good, I guess. And then a hmm So this is a let me see, let me see, just trying to compare the two proofs or two analysis. So I have this, a then let me see, a everywhere absolute chain factorization is fine, and then we want to say what? We want to say that a hmm a so the summability is pretty much to show the value side is well defined, is a is I don't know, a is well defined, yeah. A I don't know, to show that is pretty much to show that there is no uh there's no strange nonsense, or maybe there's no cheating happening in the value side. So I don't know, conceptually, is the summability side pretty much to show there's a yeah, okay. So hmm I see that everything matches up to the chain rule, but then yeah, chain rule decomposition, but then which step? I don't know. Which step would cheating occur? I don't know. Which step could the value side cheat let the summability side need to address? Okay. Okay, so let me see. Yeah. Okay, so you're saying that this is a totalized value because this step is a of rearranges and decomposes of infinite sum. So only if everything is integrable, yeah, of course, and then otherwise this is sure. Okay, so you want to show that it's absolutely summable. That is a yeah, okay. And then now you use side integrate. Wait, is it true? Let a alternating or whatever, a series is summable only if it's absolute sum. That is, oh, but length is stronger, right? Hmm. A oh. Hmm. Oh. A series is an absolutely summable series is always summable. Always converges. But it's not an if and only if, right? So here maybe we are requiring here and maybe mathcom itself is requiring, or maybe here we, or maybe some we and maybe mathcom itself are require something stronger, are asking for something stronger, but you are saying that this stronger thing, uh you're saying that we are lucky, let this stronger this stronger statement is anyways true in our setting, so we just prove it, and we'll be fine. Okay, and then a negative is always controlled by Q, so the yeah, because if negative is controlled, then positive part always is true. A okay. A then I guess a then I guess now that we've got both proofs, or at least I'm slightly more convinced, how would you recommend us proceed? Do we fill in some of the value side too? A are there any interdependencies as far as proof engineering goes, or do we just fill out the or do we just build out the summability integrability side first, and then we deal with the value afterwards? A okay, good, yeah. Um, uh, hmm. The chain rule is actually a finite object, right? Wait, is it? Looks like this, but let me double check. A the chain factorization is a hmm. Yeah, because this is a this scary part. So we want to just assume this to be true and not verify it. And then what do we do here? A prove a low level factorization question mark for tuple prefixes. A hmm. Wait, what do you have? So you want to say that prove the low level factorization. This is fine, yeah. And then a and we're gonna separate finite sum whatever thing. A finite sum KL chain decomp. Wait, this is the one we're working on before, right? Or maybe not. No, it's not. A then what was it that we're working on before? RG. And then wait, is this what we were working on before? I feel like I've basically lost track. I mean, this is just what it is, yeah. So okay, and oh, scary, yeah. This is maybe very different from what I thought it is, but okay, yeah. Eh, wait, so what is this? This is saying that the sum is less than you. Okay, yeah, whatever. Eh, oh, you don't want to do this. You want to oh, but no, this is fine, yeah. So you want to do what? You want to do hmm a this part is fine, but then this part is still fine, and then but conceptually I don't really see what's going on here. So you want to say the chain decomposition layer, yeah. A when this is like finite sum whatever whatever. Let me see. Wait, is this not just equal? What am I missing? This is the finite sum chain decomposition is exact, right? So what am I like? What is this? So you have this, and then wait, this is exact, right? I'm missing something. What is this? A what is this? Like this is a wait. This is what? This is like exact, right? This is exact point wise, unless I'm missing something. A okay, maybe let me check here. A what is this? In terms of chain factorization, is actually exactly equal point-wise over each x, right? And then the sum is equal because, and then the sum is, and then sum is equal because because you are multiplying a p of x on both sides, then taking the sum. Wait, this is like really funny sounding. And then the KL thing, and then the KL is equal to the double summation because you are multiplying on the maybe in the rock formalization here we are already assuming inequality and subsets. Seems like here we're already assuming inequality and subsets. Maybe this what is going on here. Hey, hey, here let's uh maybe can we if I'm understanding the picture right, can we refactor and show equality up to the end of the what is it called? Up to that point, and what is it called? And go to inequality after, and maybe and maybe go to inequality later. A the what is it called? The fishy part is the fishy part is the exchanging of the sums, which comes later anyways, right? Speaking of this, what about the mathcom analysis? Interchange p sum admitted? It's useless. Like why? Find math comp analysis and then interchange, yeah. Okay, interchange psum. So why is this? I hope this is not like just straight up false. So you are saying that if a what is this? So you have this, which is that if this is summable and this is also summable, then you can hmm, let me see. If this is summable, then the inside is also summable. Yeah, maybe also let me see if this is useful. Maybe also exchanging exchanging thumbs. What about the mathcom list? Is it useful at all here? A if it is maybe an external admit is better than writing our own proof. It's better than a today is better than spending the next X days. I don't know. Maybe we can take the external admit today, and once we want to fix it, we can also make it a community service to fix the library itself. Ah, maybe useful. A beneath. uh, okay, good. Yeah. A proof the weighted pointwise chain. Let me see. Okay. Perfect. Would you please get us started with it then? Thanks so much as always. Yeah. Okay. Let me add more water to my sweet tea so I don't ingest a lot of sugar. Good. So where are we? Yeah, it's slightly inconvenient that my cup is so small, so I need to like keep adding more water or whatever. Yeah. So what do we have? Hmm. Mysterious finite sum bound towards the proof structure we actually believe. Sure. And then okay, yeah. Hmm. Good. And then we do what? Fubini's theorem. What's Fubini's theorem anyways? It is actually what I think it is, right? Okay, good Chinese version. It's what I think it is, I think. A wait, counter example is amazing. What is this? Please. Oh, remembers the good old days. The amazing good old days when I was taking this very nice view analysis class and doing this product measure stuff. Yeah, I feel like I don't even know if we did double integral in the normal. Like, I know we did some funny stuff, but I don't know if this is how we. Hmm. Like, I remember our measure theory was like really funny, but I don't know. Like, I mean, when is measure theory not funny, right? Yeah, I feel I don't remember any measure theory right now, and maybe I'm a little bit glad that the AI remembers, so I don't have to. Otherwise, I'm spending like a lot of time on this. Okay, okay, a perfect. A I think I believe this. Actually, maybe let me stare at it a little bit before I just believe it. But I think I can believe it. Yeah. Let me see. Hmm. Then this is what? This is a perfect, I guess. A so let me see, pointwise weighted equality, and then value change from this, and then let me see. Hmm. So BAT finite positive chain from pointwise. Okay, so a hmm. Perfect. I think I believe this lemma this pointwise equality. So let's leave the proof until later, and let's assume it is true and leave the proof for later. Now how do we use this again? Proof wrappers. Let me see. What do we have here? Okay. So one is value sign, the other one is not, right? So this is so this is value side, and the other one is what's going on here? Wait, huh? So this is wait, why is neither side summable? A the proof applications and then proof wrappers, but then this is, let me see. So what do we have? Finite sum, positive whatever. So this is used where? This is used in this. Okay, so now what? Okay, what is this? So this leaves the holes are what do you mean by proof wrappers? Okay, let me see. Mm, wait, this is oh no, this is free. Not free, but this is what we believe. And then these are, let me see. So this is saying that if we had a that this is the positive like positive thing, yeah. And then this is the value side, right? Okay. So this is the absolute summability, and this is a maybe the value side that a I guess since I buy the value side more, a we could do the with the next step be filling in the conti uh, absolute summability, absolute convergence side, or maybe absolute summability, a absolute summability bound. The statement still looks a bit long and scary. I'm not 100% sure if it is. Actually, maybe then let's just be sure. Yeah. So what do we want? We wanted to say that. Mm, we want to say the positive sum is at most. Let me see. I want to say the positive sum is bounded by a This is like, what is this? Yeah, what the heck is going on here? I don't know. Hey, hey, wait, what's interchange p sum? Hmm, I guess I'm not immediately know how to use this again. So, but where does that fill in, or where does this fit in? Uh, does that does that fit anywhere? Uh, do we refactor and make it fit anywhere, or or have we found out that it doesn't help slash fit? Let me see. Finish the positive finite stability route first, and then this can. Okay, I see. Hmm. Okay. So let's see. So okay, makes sense. Fubini. Okay. Then let me see. So we do that, and then for some BAT side, we deliver. Okay, by working finite J. Yeah. Okay. Mm, a okay. I see. I think so. I guess we doing this next line. interchange pizza might be the I think I maybe I should just say three less a proofly finite positive summable, then the rest are less. This is maybe the scariest piece on the LaTeX tool uh to me as well. So I'm glad we are dealing with it first. Yeah, perfect. Um, what, 1.5, no, 2.5 hours before I have to sleep, right? I say five, right? So yeah, 2.5 hours, good. Do I have tokens? I'm pretty sure I have tokens, right? I'm pretty sure I still have more tokens I can spend. Yeah, good. Oh, compacting context, sure, why not? Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Sorry, just trying to hydrate and drink 桂圆红枣茶. Yeah. Okay, adding more water. Be right back. Yeah, I think I'm like running out of energy to really stream well. So maybe I would just like head offline and keep working on this. Yeah, and think of more conversation topics because I feel like the whatever I do next will probably be really boring. And also, I am like running out of sanity points, which means I need to consume stream. And yeah, instead of producing content, I need to consume. Yeah, or maybe I should just sleep soon because I'm like, yeah, maybe I should just sleep soon for the sake of my own sanity. Yeah, I don't know, but yeah, like complete unrelated thing. Like Zaryu is doing this, like Minecraft thing. Never thought that that would be a case, but I might as well like watch what he was streaming. Yeah, I mean, when I just started this stream, I think I saw him just started as well. So I think I might just call it and go watch him and for a little bit and then go sleep because yeah. I mean I technically have quota for another 2.5 hours to stay awake and use tokens, but I kind of like even the fact that I've already burned the entire day on this project is already maybe not good. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm just going to head off. Yeah, so thank you all. I will see you all next time. Yeah. Oh, what is this? A Richie. Oh, of course. Yeah. Okay. Cool. See you.